Pardon my daughter.
So what's that I will take care of?
You roll your face. Let me finish it. Do I show you what is supposed to use?
Okay.
You come and let me show you. Let me attend.
You're not doing me.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to know what is the rationalistic inconsistency of this content.
This one you are saying, eh?
No.
Only what you cannot educate here. HIV and AIDS. Do you know why?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Blood
acid. Yeah, that's why I say what is the rationalistic inconsistency? Because there are some sickness due to mass rationalistic inconsistency that makes some people to forget the pathology with regard to the pursuit of the natural cosmological modernist. So that is why I'm asking, what is the rationalistic inconsistency of this content? Oh wow. Otherwise. Oh wow.
Oh boy, for total police station we'll jump this one.
Pardon my daughter.
So what's that I will take care of?
You roll your face. Let me finish it. Do I show you what is supposed to use?
Okay.
You come and let me show you. Let me attend.
You're not doing me.
Okay. I want to know what is the rationalistic inconsistency of this content.
This one you are saying, eh?
No.
Only what you cannot educate here. HIV and AIDS. Do you know why?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Blood acid.
Yeah, that's why I say what is the rationalistic inconsistency? Because there are some sickness due to mass rationalistic inconsistency that makes some people to forget the pathology with regard to the pursuit of the natural cosmological modernist. So that is why I'm asking, what is the rationalistic inconsistency of this content? Oh wow. Otherwise. Oh wow.
Oh boy, for total police station we'll jump this one.